Here's a 1972 Dodge Challenger Rally. '73 Dodge Challenger. '73 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat.
Number 348, no name on the sheet, but it's a 1956 Ford Victoria. 1956 Ford Victoria, car number 348. Up next is car number 345, Mr. Roger Foss, a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Car number 345.
'2018 Dodge Challenger Captain America First Avenger Special.
How's the truck running? Good? Good. And truck show. We got about 20 minutes left in registration. If you've arrived late and haven't made your way over here to the registration trailer, please bring that little slip they gave you when you came in. Fill out a little slip up here, bring it to these young ladies at the window, and we will get you registered for today's show. Coaching's going to begin at 12 o'clock, so make sure you got your hoods up and your windows down so you can see this.
2020 Dodge Challenger Nightmare on Elm Street Custom.
You hear that?